Hello friends, welcome back TMB. Ready to learn a new sound? I bet you are. So today we are talking about a sound which is two letters put together. And the two letters put together are T and H. Now the T and H together can make a few different sounds, but today we're talking about the sound. Can you make that sound? Yes, very good. So let's check out when the TH together makes the sound. Here we are, friends, with the T and H together. And today we're talking about the TH sound. So here you can see this boy is thinking. Thinking is a cool word. It has three parts. The ink and the ing. Ink. It's a lot easier to spell words when you break them down into their parts. Let's see the other words. This girl is going through this box. This here is a spool of red thread. This flower is called a thistle. And here you can see that the sound doesn't only happen at the beginning of words. In this word, it's in the middle. Let's take a look. It is birthday cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This person is turning 7, and a lot of you are going to be turning 7 soon too. How exciting. Now I'll show you a word where the sound is at the end. Let's take a look. This is a moth. Moth. And this little guy, he's in the bath. And here's a third time that it is at the end. This is cloth. If you go here in the middle, you'll find the sound in the middle as well, in mother. And here it's at the beginning in thumb. Wow, there's so many words. Let's keep going. This line is thick, and this line is thin. Thick, thin. Over here, we have an athlete. Wow. This is the number 3. And here, this boy is throwing something. Throw. Here, we are lathering our face. And this is a feather. Feather. We just have one more, and that's this bird. It's called a thrush. So this is where the TH makes the sound. Now, you may know some other words where TH is used, like the word the, or these, or there. In those words, it makes the sound. So sometimes the sound, like in thinking, is for TH. And sometimes the sound, like in the. Well, friends, I'm so glad you joined us here on Phonics again, and I hope this cleared some things up about the sound. Let's do our handshake. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys. Bye, friends.